Welcome to a video from DClife.com. New build of Windows 11 to look at. This is 26010 for Windows Insiders on the Canary channel. I thought I'd do this video because there's a few interesting changes in there. There's a couple that haven't rolled out yet, so I can't show you, but some are here that we can have a look at. So over in the widgets, there's a new settings option, and this is just beginning to roll out. So this is the old one I'm showing you now, and on the screen. This on the screen now is the new one. On this you can add widgets. You can choose your Microsoft account that you want to use rather than just using the one that you sign in with Windows. So it gives you a bit more flexibility. If you sign in with one account, you can then have the widgets tailored via another account, which I think is a good idea. So hopefully that'll show up on future builds. Microsoft have just started to roll it out, so maybe at some point in the next week or so we'll start to see those, and certainly probably by the next build. Another change is here with CoPilot. We've got this new undock option. So with it docked, it's like that. And as you switch between applications, it stays there and retains that screen real estate. If you undock it, you can have it then pop behind. So it's not using that screen real estate space up, and you only see it when you go back to the desktop. You can also resize it from here as well. So as a fix for this on this build, there is an issue in the previous build 26002 where you didn't get the restart button. So now they've fixed that. If you're on the older build, you can use the start button to get to the power button, and you can do the restart from here. I didn't have that issue. They fixed some issues with attempting to in safe mode would hang. And they fixed some issues with the task host crashing, and they fixed some Explorer exe issues. There are some new known issues. One is keyboard shortcuts not working on desktop, so including delete keys, delete files, the control key option using Alt F4. I don't know if I can show you that on a virtual machine. Yeah, trying to do it doesn't work. I think that normally does work, so that's one of the new ones. And there are listing issues where the print queue is showing a message saying it can't find the app, and there's an issue with the Windows recovery environment not rendering correctly, and there's some issues with the widgets. I don't need to go into those now. Well, those are the changes with the Canary build. The dev channel has some of these updates as well. Plus some things for Windows 365, but on the dev channel's also got the new widgets controls and the CoPilot docking as well. Also improvements in nearby share where you can rename the machine. So that's it for this build. Thanks for watching this video. I'll bring you more when we get the next build.